Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best Husqvarna chainsaw you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best Husqvarna chainsaw in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Husqvarna 20-inch 455 Rancher gas chainsaw. The Husqvarna 455 Rancher comes with several of the very same functions that made the 460 the most effective chainsaw available, but in a smaller size that is more geared towards light to medium duty work. If you're not planning to do lots of cutting dead branches from tree branches, the 455 provides substantial reductions over the 460 and retains the other features that make it a versatile. The engine is 55 cc, which drives the 20-inch long bar of the 455 Rancher. It has only a little less torque than our top choice, however, it still has plenty of the power to cut firewood or clearing brush. Additionally, Husqvarna's X-Torque technology helps reduce the use of fuel and also emissions, which makes this an environmentally friendly choice compared to other chainsaws available in the present. At just 13 pounds, the 455 Rancher is an incredibly powerful and versatile tool that can be adapted to almost any farm, home or ranch work. For details, let's watch more. Our second best Husqvarna chainsaw is Husqvarna 20-inch 450 Rancher 2 gas chainsaw. The X-Torque results in lower energy consumption and lowers emissions from exhausts. In addition, the centrifugal air cleansing system eliminates dust and debris before they reach the filtering system, which keeps the environment clean. The best part is that the starter and engine are designed to ensure that the saw can start quickly and without any effort. Delivers lower fuel consumption and reduced exhaust emission levels in accordance with the world's most stringent environmental regulations. Centrifugal air cleaning system removes larger dust and debris particles before reaching the air filter. This results in reduced air filter cleanings and improved engine life. The engine and starter have been designed so the machine starts quickly with minimum effort. Equipped with Smart Start, fuel pump and auto return stop switch for easier starting. Easier handling with toolless chain tensioner. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Husqvarna 14-inch 120i chainsaw. While most Husqvarna chainsaws run on gas, however, This battery-powered model is a great performer and powerhouse. First of all, the brushless motor boosts the ratio of torque to weight of the machine to increase its efficiency and durable. It also produces low noise when compared to gas chainsaws. Less vibrations means a longer time. Depending on the conditions of your operation, there are two options to select from. The standard mode ensures that the device is operating at its peak, and the safe mode helps you save battery life. In addition, the lightweight and ergonomically constructed Husqvarna chainsaw makes continuous and regular use easy and effortless. 120i cordless battery chainsaw is built for the homeowner who needs a lightweight saw ideal for pruning branches and felling small trees. 40-volt battery-powered chainsaw with guide bar and chain. Intuitive control keypad with save mode allows user to switch between maximum power and maximum runtime depending on the job. 40-volt battery is compatible with other Husqvarna 40-volt cordless tools. Inertia activated chain brake for safety while operating. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Husqvarna 20-inch 460 Rancher gas chainsaw. The chainsaw model 460 by Husqvarna provides the most efficient quality and flexibility for the price for the beginner. With a 3.62 horsepower motor and a 20-inch bar length, which weighs just 12.79 pounds, it's the perfect tool for work at the farm or home that range from heavy-duty brush clearing and limbing to felling and cutting firewood. This isn't the chainsaw that you pull out to cut your hedges. It has much greater oomph than the ever-popular 455 chainsaw. The 460 Rancher is a reasonable upgrade over other Husqvarna equipment. Popular with first-time buyers as well as long-term customers alike, 460 Rancher is a favorite because of its reputation for consistently providing its impressive 9,000 RPM performance each year. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best Husqvarna chainsaw list is Husqvarna 16-inch 435E2 gas chainsaw. The ergonomic design of the Husqvarna 16-inch 435E2 gas chainsaw allows the homeowner to handle the power of the saw with ease. Powerful, yet easy to start thanks to Smart Start technology, this gas-powered chainsaw is ready to cut trees, whether you need to prune, limb or cut firewood. Designed with the tree care professional in mind, the new X-Cut chain provides the performance, durability, and quality cut they demand. The new X-Force chainsaw bars are lighter, last longer and require less maintenance to optimize productivity. The air injection centrifugal air cleaning system helps keep larger dust and debris particles from reaching the air filter, to improve engine life. The anti-vibration system reduces vibration levels, for more comfortable chainsaw operation. For details, let's watch more.